Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying home, being safe, washing your hands, all that good stuff. At least we got YouTube. Alright guys, I do have a possible future spoiler. Could it be May? Could it be June? Who knows, y'all? So guys, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was my drama salad video. That's where we dive into all the beauty YouTube drama. And thank you so much. That Amber chick says, hey girl, hey. Well, hey Amber, honey, how you doing? I really am so happy that you stopped by to see my video. I really do appreciate that, honey. So much. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your own and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this is a possible future BoxyCharm spoiler. And the reason why we know this, guys, is because emails went out to certain people. And I found this at BoxyCharm sneak peek on Instagram. So I guess she was one of the ones that got this email. So in the email, it asks if she would be excited or not excited or whatever to get the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions pink eyeshadow palette. Y'all, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I would love to get this palette. I do have one of those little Huda Beauty palettes. I believe it's in one of them rosy ones. I can't remember exactly what it's called. Or mauves. I think it's mauve something. But this one, I would absolutely love to have. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Now, the value of this, guys, is $29. So guys, what do y'all think about that? Have y'all got this email? Have you got an email showing a different item? Let me know down in the comments. And would you be excited to get this palette in one of your boxes? Let us know below. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Ayad Isa. Ayad says thumbs up. Well, Ayad, thank you so much, honey. Well, I see you in just about every one of my comment sections, and I can't tell you how much that means to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, honey. I love you. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube has been taking all of my subscribers. But if you would double check that, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.